Hello class! For this assignment, we will be using a website called Photo.com to make a collage of our favorite things. It can be your favorite movie, book, food, animal, or anything that you like. In your collage, you do need up to 3 pictures of things that you like. To get to the website, go to our Google Classroom, and under classwork there should be an assignment called collage. So in the little description, it'll have this tiny little link over here. It's purple, it has a line under it. You just click it, and it'll take you directly to the website. So to use this, you will need to make an account. Just use your email address that you use for your Google Classroom, and sign up is free. So once you do that, you'll have these 4 little options here. So I'd rather you guys either use just Classic Collage or Funky Collage. Classic Collage just has a bunch of, as you can see here, just like little square shapes, maybe some circles, stuff like that. While Funky Collage has like hearts and diamonds and triangles and things like that. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Funky Collage. And once it loads, it'll have over here the whole different kinds of templates that you'd like to use. So you'll just find your favorite one, whichever one you'd like to use. Use the ones that do not have these little diamonds. So use these that don't have anything in the corner, because the diamonds you have to pay for. So just use these that don't have the little diamonds in the corner. So I'll find one that I want to use. I want to use this one. So once I find it, just scroll down, go to Color and Texture. So this is for your background color. You can choose any of the default colors, or you can go to Theme Color and make your own. So you can click wherever you want on here, make it lighter, make it darker, do what you want on there, but for right now I'm just going to use the default color. It's pretty blue-purple color. So once I got that, I'm going to show you how to get pictures onto here. So my favorite food is pizza, so I looked up pizza on Google Images. So I found one. I found a picture that I liked. So to get it, I'm just going to right click on my mouse, and this little box will appear. I'll go to Save Image As, and I'm going to save it as pizza. So after I got that, I'm going to go to Import on here. There's a little thing up here and a little rectangle on the side. It will say plus import. Just go to that, click on it, and this will appear. And you just go down and you'll find your picture, open it, and it will download onto here. So once that's loaded, I'll just drag it over, and I can put it in any box that I want. So I'm going to put it in this box. So, and you can also move it around like this, up and down, side to side, do whatever you want to make it fit in there. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to hit Import. I'm going to scroll down. I have saved pictures of corgis because they're my favorite dog. So I'll click that, click Import. They should appear over here in the little side. And I'll click that picture and I'll just drag it over to wherever I want it to go. So I'll put that there. I can adjust the picture. And for my last image, I'm going to hit Import. I'm going to find it on my downloads here. And my favorite book is Harry Potter. So I have that previously saved. I'll hit Open. And then I'll drag it over to the last place. So there we go. I have my collage of my favorite things. So once you have that done, you're going to hit Share. And once this loads, here's a little link. It says share your work with this link. You're going to right click and you're going to copy the link location down here in this little box. You're going to do that. And then in the class comments, you're just going to post your, so you'll see down here in the class comments, we'll have add class comment. Just right click again, click paste, and then post. And I'll see that, I'll grade it. Alright guys, you have a good day. Hopefully you have fun on your collage making.